We have new lesson today. It's all alphabets. We completed already, but in today's class we have science. Okay, science. This one sign. It's sign me name Fatah. Okay, its sign name Fatah. When will come this sign top of the any letter, then you will say this Fatah. Okay, and when will come this sign top of the any letter, then you will say it Fatah. Okay, Fatah. What is this? Fatah. Yeah, this one Fatah. And now practice required. What is this letter? This letter is Alif. Okay, this letter is Ba. Next one Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Da, Za, Ra, Za, Sin, Chin, Swa. It's all letters, alphabets. Okay, we completed in first class, in first page of the alphabets. And now new thing, we have new rule, new sign today. That name Fatah. Okay, Fatah is new. Focus on the lesson. It's Alif, and top of the Alif, this one Fatah. Alif Fatah A. It's what we pronounce this Fatah. Alif Fatah A. Okay. After that we have Ba. Ba Fatah Ba. Next one Ta Fatah Ta. Next one Tha Fatah Tha. Jim Fatah Ja. Ha Fatah Ha. Kho Fatah Kho. Dal Fatah Da. Zal Fatah Za. Ra Fatah Ra. Za Fatah Za. Sin Fatah Sa. Shin Fatah Sha. Sad Fatah Swa. Dod Fatah Dwa. Twa Fatah Twa. Twa Fatah Twa. Okay, look on the lesson. Top of the every letter is sign. Okay, its sign name Fatah. Fatah, Fatah, Fatah. There, it's repeat 100 times. What name this sign? Fatah, 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 Fatah. When will come this sign top of the any letter, then you will say that letter A. When will come this sign top of the Alif, then we will say A. What is the sound of Alif? A. And when will come top of the Ba, then Ba. After that Ta, Tha, Ja. Okay, Ja. This one Jim. It's Ja. Jim Fatah Ja. After that Ha Fatah Ha. Kho Fatah Kho. Dal Fatah Da. Zal Fatah Za. Ra Fatah Ra. Za Fatah Za. Sin Fatah Sa. Shin Fatah Sha. Swa Dwa Twa. We will repeat now reverse from the last letter. Focus please. Twa, Twa Fatah Twa. Dwa Fatah Dwa. Okay. Dwa, Swa, Sha, Sa, Za, Ra. Okay. Zal Fatah Za. It's lesson, today's lesson. Okay, very important lesson. You repeat it in homework as a homework. Okay, 5 to 10 times, because it's very important rule. Okay, Fatah, find in Quran where is coming this sign Fatah top of the Arabic letters. you will underline this in your home. After that, tell me. Okay, that's homework. Thank you, take care, and repeat it video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's your today's lesson.